They are cute, aren't they?
No. Mind you, Tanya Laddie, first of all, hi and welcome back to Weekends.
Hello.
You immerse yourself, being an entomologist, into the world of the insect, and whilst we've spoken ants and native bees before, which is how I first met you, giving a native bee presentation, I thought we'd find out about cockroaches. So 1300 222 702, 1300 222 702. Before we do that, and I was looking at the flower wasp on the Australian Museum website, because Joanne in Castle Hill has flower wasps. She was talking with Helen Young earlier on in the garden and wants to know how to, like, Joanne, you're not actually sort of, they're not affecting the plants. It's more you worried about being bitten,
right.
isn't it? Yeah.
Exactly, yes. Because I believe they do sting, and I have been out there, and they sort of tend to buzz around your head, and I quickly hightail it inside after getting that response from them, and I don't really want to get stung. So.
And it's only the girls that sting, isn't it, Tanya?
Usually, yes, but in the flower, it's the kind of flower wasp I'm thinking of. It's sort of iridescent blue and blackish colored. Yep.
That's right.
So in that species, the females are usually wingless, and the males have wings. So they're usually not so good at stinging. They can. The females in particular can sting, but those probably aren't the ones buzzing around you. So.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know.
Yeah, and I don't think I've ever heard of anyone being stung. I mean, there's always someone somewhere has been stung, but they're not super aggressive. So if they're not really a problem, I would just let them be.
How similar are they to the garden as, say, a bee which propagates? Would the flower bee be handy in Joanne's garden?
Some flowers to take care of the wasps? Yeah, absolutely. So even though wasps typically get most of their protein by being a predator, so they hunt other insects, which is usually good for your garden, they also don't mind a nice top-up of nectar to keep them going. So having lots of flowering...
I've got moonlights in the backyard, quite a lot of them flowering, and they seem to be buzzing around those flowers.
That's good. That's great. So that'll give them a little top-up. They'll help to control pests in your garden. So unless they're a real problem, I would just let them be and let them, help clean up your garden.
Okay. So there's, there's about 30 of them at some time. So you sort of feel like I don't really want to go out there when there's that many, because they tend to buzz around and make you feel a bit uncomfortable. So, I guess, do they have a life cycle? Like, will they continue to be there, or will they, then at some stage go somewhere else?
No, they probably won't be there for long. So they tend to come in cycles. You'll see lots of them. If they're not on flowers, they may be looking for females. Often you'll see a whole bunch of them flying over the ground as they search for the females, which are usually at ground level. And that should only be a few weeks before they disappear. Otherwise, if they're foraging on the plants, they might come and take